My name's Keith Burchett, and I'm one of the Internet Sales Managers with Herrnstein, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Mitsubishi, and Kia. This is Colton and Alicia Ellsworth. Came all the way from Phoenix, Arizona, and to pick up a 2500 crew cab, or mega cab actually, diesel. And Colt, Alicia, what did you think of the service here at Herrnstein?
Service was fantastic.
Perfect.
We called a week ago and asked about the truck, and guys held on to the truck for us, and it's been a good experience.
Well, we sure appreciate it. How was the drive, Alicia?
Long. Long, but definitely worth it.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely.
Well, great. We're sure glad to hear that. Is there anything you'd want to tell the folks out there if they were shopping for a vehicle?
Check out Herrnstein's.
And that's pretty amazing, coming all the way from Phoenix, Arizona to come check out Herrnstein in Chillicothe, Ohio.
Absolutely.
Well, we sure appreciate them. We sure appreciate your guys' business. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Keith.
You're welcome. Thank you.